Yo, how are we today? We are doing one epic adventure today. You join me here at Pwllheli. Darren and Danny are over there somewhere just about launch. I'm here with Fletcher, as you can probably tell. We've got an epic trip coming up. We're going around the Llyn Peninsula. Then we're going to do a loop of Anglesey. Probably fuel back up at Pwllheli at the top end of the Menai Straits, and then we come back here. We're hoping to do it in around 6 hours, take it steady around 30 mile an hour all the way. But yeah, cannot wait for this one, cannot wait. So enjoy the scenery, enjoy the ride, let's do this. Hello, Darren.
Good morning.
Fletcher, how are we?
Captain Pink Shorts.
Today we are going to do the impossible. Well, it's not impossible, is it?
It might be.
It might be, we'll find out. But it's us four. Enjoy the ride. Here we go. Oh yeah. So hot out here. Just coming past Bedrock, and we've got the dolphins over here.
Such a pretty face, so I'll try some more. Let's you go climbing mountains, trying to explore. The clock strikes 10 to 2. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do.
Now north side of the Llyn Peninsula. Over water. Sea stage change slight, but not too bad. Welcome to South Stack, Anglesey. Woo! This place rocks. This is what this trip's about, exploration. Look where we are, look where we are. Yes. Yeah, you gotta keep this side, don't you? Yeah. up, put another 22 litres in. Now I've got 3/4 of the tank. You're going to see how far that gets us before I put the back tank in. So yeah, hopefully we'll get around to Pwllheli, fuel up there. But wow, this place is unbelievable. So pretty, so pretty. See you later. Welcome to Brickworks. What a stunning place. This is the thing with Wales. It never stops surprising you. Never. This is just one little island in North Wales. I'll say little. It's Anglesey, it's quite big, but you get what I mean. Unbelievable scenery. We have made it to the Menai Straits, Puffin Island, Anglesey. The bell's ringing for us as well. Mainland Wales. This feels incredible, incredible. Oh yeah. That's a big fat welcome to Pwllheli. So we just had a bit of dinner at Pwllheli, just behind us there. Filled up with fuel, and now we're back off that way, down the straits towards Bangor. You can see Bangor Pier there, down through the Swallies.
Lights the sidewalk, such a dangerous place. So I'll guide you home. And then you go knocking on every door.
Welcome to Pwllheli.
Such a dangerous place. So I'll guide you home.
Wrapping up home, Danny, for the...
I'm expecting bad weather around Bardsey.
Oh yeah.
No, hoping for it.
Hoping for it.
bad
You want
weather.
to be a Dan Air action, don't you?
Yeah, man.
Here's Fletcher after a bit of action.
Yes.
And Darren over there. Hanging.
Yeah, no bit.
Pub shut.
Look at that.
No beer. Back at Bardsey. A little bit of a rough ride over, but look at this. Oh yeah! We have made it back. Let's see what it says on the app. We're using Strava app, by the way. Let's see what it says, how far we've done. 171.5 miles. Woohoo! 9 hours 18 minutes. 9 hours 19 minutes. It's been incredible, absolutely incredible, and the sun's still out. But we will see you soon. End of today, we're on the slipway in Pwllheli Harbour. I've got no words how good that was. It was unbelievable. Hope you enjoy this vlog. Please subscribe below or comment as well, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.